lesson number 55, Algebra, volume 2, application number 230. Polynomial x minus 1 power n at 2 minus x power 2 multiply n minus 1 divide the x power 2 minus 6 at 1. Fx equal x minus 1 power n at 2 minus x power 2 multiply n minus 1 gx equal x power 2 minus 6 at 1. If gx equal 0, then at the same time fx equals 0. Intersect the graph polynomial function fx axis x, y equals 0 is the equation of the axis x. Fx equal x minus y n at 2 minus x power 2 multiply n minus 1, y equals 0 is the equation of axis x. Result equation polynomial x minus 1 power n at 2 minus x power 2 multiply n minus 1 equals 0. Intersect the graph polynomial function gx axis x, y equals 0 equation of the axis x. Gx equal yx equal x power 2 minus 6 at 1, y equals 0 is the equation of the axis x. X power 2 minus 6 at 1 equals 0. X minus 1 equal x power 2, 0 equal x power 2 minus 6 at 1. A power 2 at b power 2 equal a power 3 equal a at b multiply a power 2 minus a multiply b at b power 2. Abbreviated formula x power 2 at 1 power 2 equal x at 1, x power 3 at 1 equal x at 1 multiply x power 2 minus 6 at 1 equals 0. X power 3 equal minus 1, x power 2 minus 6 at 1 equals 0. Is equivalent to gx equals 0. X minus 1 equal x power 2. Fx equal x minus 1 power n at 2 minus x power 2 multiply n minus 1 equal x minus 1 equal x power 2. X power 2 power n at 2 minus x power 2 n minus 2 equal x power 2 at 4 minus x power 2 n minus 2 equal x power 2 n factor common x power 4 minus x power minus 2 equal x power 2 n multiply x power 4 minus 1 divided x power 2 equal x power 2 2n minus 2 multiply x power 6 minus 1. X power 6 minus 1 equal x power 3 power 2 minus 1 equal x power 3 minus 1 multiply x power 3 at 1. Fx equal x power 2n minus 2 multiply x power 3 minus 1 x power 3 at 1, but x power 3 at 1 equals 0. Involve fx equals 0. Fx equals 0 result fx divided gx. Application number 231. Polynomial x at 1 power 3n at 2 at x at 2 divided the x power 2 at 3x at 3. Fx equal x at 1 power 3n at 2 at x at 2. Gx equal x power 2 at 3x at 3. Fx divided gx. If gx equals 0, then at the same time fx equals 0. Intersect the graph polynomial function fx axis x, y equals 0 is the equation of the axis x. Fx equal x at 1 power 3n at 2 at x at 2, y equals 0. Result equation polynomial x at 1 power 3n at 2 at x at 2 equals 0. Intersect the graph polynomial function gx axis x, y equals 0 is the equation of the axis x. Gx equal x power 2 at 3x at 3, y equals 0. X power 2 at 3x at 3 equals 0. Multiply x left at right, result x power 3 at 3x power 2 at 3x equals 0, x power 2 at 3x at 3 equals 0, x at 1 power 3n at 2 equal x at 1 power 3n multiply x at 1 power 2 equal x at 1 power 3 power n multiply x power 2 at 2x at 1 equal x power 3 at 3x power 2 at 3x at 1 power n multiply x power 2 at 3x at 3 minus x minus 2 x power 3 3x power 2 at 3x equals 0 0 at 1 x power 2 at 3x at 3 0 power n multiply 0 minus x minus 2 equal minus 0 minus x at 2 fx equal minus x at 2 at x at 2 equals 0. Result fx divided gx. Application number 232. Polynomial x power 2 at 1 power 6 multiply n at 2 at x power 4 at 1 divided x power 2 at x at 1 fx equal x power 2 at 1 power 6n at 2 at x power 4 at 1 gx equal x power 2 at x at 1 if gx equals 0 10 at same time fx equals 0. Intersect the graph polynomial function fx axis ox. Y equals 0 is the equation of the axis ox. Fx equal x power 2 at 1 power 6n at 2 at x power 4 at 1 y equals 0. Result polynomial equation x power 2 at 1 power 6n at 2 at x power 4 at 1 equals 0. Intersect the graph polynomial function gx axis ox. Y equals 0 is the equation of the axis ox. Gx equal yx equal x power 2 at x at 1 y equals 0 x power 2 at x at 1 equals 0 a power 3 minus b power 3 equal a minus b multiply a power 2 at b power 2 abbreviated formula x power 3 minus 1 equal x minus 1 multiply x power 2 at x at 1 equals 0. Result x power 3 minus 1 equals 0 x power 2 at x at 1 equals 0 x minus 1 equals 0 x power 3 minus 1 equals 0 x power 2 at x at 1 equals 0 fx equal x power 2 at 1 power 6 multiply n at 2 at x power 4 at 1 equal x power 2 at x x power at 1 equal minus 6 power 6 n at 2 at x power 3 at x at 1 x power 3 equal 1 fx equal minus 1 power 6 multiply n at 2 multiply x power 6 n at 2 at x at 2 x power 3 equal 1 fx equal x minus 1 power 6n at 2 equal 1 x 6 power 6n multiply x power 2 at x at 1 x power 6n equal x power 3 power 2n equal 1 power 2n equal 1 fx equal x power 2 at x at 1 equal 0 fx equal 0 while on gx equals 0 so fx divided gx. Application number 233. Polynomial fx equal x power 6n at 5 at x power 3n at 4 at 1 divided x power 2 at x at 1 fx equal x power 6n at 5 at x power 3n at 4 at 1 gx equal x power 2 at x at 1 fx divided gx. If gx equal 0 then at the same time fx equals 0. Intersect the graph polynomial function fx axis ox. Y equals 0 is the equation of the axis ox. Fx equal x power 6n at 5 at x power 3n at 4 at 1 y equals 0. Result equation polynomial x power 6n at 5 at x power 3n at 4 at 1 equals 0. Intersect the graph polynomial function gx axis ox. Y equals 0 is the equation of the axis ox. Gx equal yx equal x power 2 at x at 1 y equals 0 x power 2 at x at 1 equals 0 x power 3 minus 1 equal x minus 1 multiply x power 2 at x at 1 equal 0. Result x power 3 minus 1 equal 0, x power 2 at x at 1 equal 0. X power 3 equal 1, x power 2 at x at 1 equal 0. Fx equal x power 6n at 5 multiply x power 3n at 4 at 1 equal x power 6n multiply x power 5 at x power 3n multiply x4 at 1. X power 3 2n multiply x power 3 multiply x power 2 multiply x at x power 3 power n x power 3 x at 1. X power 3 equal 1. Fx equal 1 power 2n multiply 1 multiply x power 2 at 1 power n multiply 1 multiply x at 1 equal x power 2 at x at 1 equal 0. Fx equal 0. Result fx divided gx. Application number 234. Polynomial x at 1 power 20n at 1 at x power 3n at 2 divided x power 2 at x at 1. Fx equal x at 1 power 12n at 1 at x power 2n at 2. Gx equal x power 2 at x at 1. If gx equals 0, then at same time fx equals 0. Intersect the graph polynomial function fx axis x. Y equals 0 is the equation of the axis OX. Fx equal x power 2 x at 1 power 12n at 1 at x power 3n at 2. Y equals 0. Result equation polynomial x at 1 power 12n at 1 at x power 3n at 2 equals 0. Intersect the graph polynomial function gx axis x. Y equals 0 is the equation of the axis x. Gx equal yx equal x power 2 at x at 1. Y equals 0. X power 2 at x at 1 equals 0. X power 3 equals 0. X at 1 equal minus x power 2. X at 1. Fx equal x at 1 power 12n at 1 at x power 3n at 2 equal x at 1 equal minus x power 2 power x minus x power 2 power 12n at 1 at x power 3n multiply x power 2. X power 3n equal x power 3n. X power 3 equal 1 equal 1. Fx equal minus 1 power 12n at 1 multiply x power 2 multiply 12n at 1 at x power 2 minus 1 power 12n at 1 equal minus 1. Fx equal minus x power 24n at 2 at x power 2 equal minus x power 20n at n multiply x power 2 at x power 2. X power 20n 24 multiply n equal x power 3 power 8n equal 1 power 8n equal 1. Result fx equal minus x power 2 at x power 2 equals 0. Result fx divided gx.